What's up, guys? I'm Seth Fowler, and today I'm in Washington, D.C. with the one and only Espy Mitch. I hope you're in frame.
Put on my sunglasses like I'm a cool guy.
So today I'm gonna try and figure out how far $200 can take me at a sneaker con in my size. I'm gonna try and find the best sneaker or a pair of sneakers or whatever I can buy for $200 because I figure that's like a pretty reasonable price. Wouldn't you agree, Mitch? 200 bucks?
100 per 200, yes.
I feel like that's a good amount of money. If you were coming to sneaker con, you could spend 200 bucks and you should be able to get something decent. So that's the plan for today, and hopefully I find something that's more comfortable to wear than my own shoe. I love the way it looks, but it's a little warm. So we made it to SneakerCon and the search begins for the $200 pair of shoes. I found a pair of cool grays a couple minutes ago, and then I'm also looking for a pair of maybe like used 500s because I ended up selling the pair of 500s I used for that review. So I'm sure we'll find something. I also found Pharrell's. So I found a size 10 that's worn for 200. That's actually a really good option.
I was playing 17U or 16s, and that was when I was watching, like, we played against like Jason Tatum, De'Aaron Fox, like Malik Monk, like all these dudes.
So everything at this table is $100, so I feel like I have a really good shot at least getting one or two things in my size. So we're gonna take a look around and see if there's anything dope. I mean, there's a lot of good stuff, so hopefully I can find something. So I was rocking around the trading floor, and I found a pair of the Quagmire SB highs for 200, for my size, which is wild. So I found some 10s in a size 9 for $100. Again, not a bad price, and they look in pretty good condition too. That's a good option. We'll keep looking. So guys, we've walked around the entire place. We found some good stuff. I found some Dornbecker 9s that were in a size 9.5, but they were 300. I don't know, did you find anything that you liked?
There were a pair of infrared 3s for 120, which I would consider, but
yeah. They did look good. They were in pretty decent condition. There was some good stuff, but it was like nothing that like blew me away yet. So we'll just keep looking and see what happens. I feel like Mitch brought up a good point. He said that tomorrow, like on Sunday, when everything starts dying down, when people get desperate, is when to buy them.
Yep.
I'm trying to get this video out quickly, so we'll see what happens.
So you know, these are Air Jordan Espys, inspired off the Central Ave colorways from East Orange. You know what I mean? Got the little navy blue, the butter soft suede, the orange with the cocoa check off my brand. Oh, and let's not forget the Coco SB logo. You already know.
Okay guys, I had the opportunity to buy a Grail, and I'm gonna pull the trigger. How were those? Were those good? We're only, what, like 3 hours into SneakerCon, and I feel like my SneakerCon trip is a success already.
hold on.
Thank you to Mason, by the way. That was
3 hours,
amazing.
3 hours.
3 hours in. Scootering. This is the most precarious thing I've ever done. Oh, damn it, Mitch. I regret this. So, Mitch, how you feel about the scooter?
This is awesome.
This is tough, man. I'm not good at filming / scooting. I don't think I've ever done it. Yours is a lot faster than mine. I don't know what the deal is with that. Yeah, dude, I was trying to keep up with you, and whew, speed demon.
We both got haircuts recently. I don't know why we're not both more aerodynamic.
You're right about that. Well, I didn't grease up this morning. What a great start to a video.
Hello, peasants.
So we just got back from SneakerCon. Mitch, how was it?
That was a total Tom Stefaniak move.
You're right. I stole it from you, Tom. I'm sorry. So we just got back from SneakerCon, and like I said, the original challenge was to buy a $200 pair of shoes, or a couple pairs of shoes. I gave up on that, mainly because I found a much better deal, and that challenge sucked. Did you see anything good for $200? I mean, there was like,
No.
there's nothing.
Every single table we went up to, like, what do you have in size 9 for $200? They're like, nothing.
I mean, they had like, there was a pair of just beat to hell 500s in a size 10. There was that table with $100 shoes, which was awesome. Every shoe on the table was $100, but they were all size 10.5 or size 12, which is weird. You'd think I could size 9 sell quicker, but man, there was not a lot. So impromptu change. A wonderful man named Mason offered up a pair of sneakers that blew my mind, and I had to take him up on it. So I'm super stoked to show you guys these. So these are a grail of mine that I never thought I would have, and that's honestly the case for most grails, because I just don't go out there expecting to buy, you know, a crazy expensive pair of shoes whenever I buy a pair, or get lucky enough to be gifted a pair, or in this case, be hooked up with one. So thank you so much, Mason, for that. It is a size 9.5, so not exactly my size, but I can definitely fit it. I realize I'm showing you the the tag, but okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Look at these. They're amazing. OG everything too. So these are the Nike SB Dunk Lows, the Supreme collaboration from 2012. These are SB Dunk Grails, and I can't believe I actually have these. These are very slightly worn. There's barely any star loss around the medial side, just a tiny bit. No real heel drag at all. I mean, the condition's impeccable on these. They've still got the sup on the insole.
In my opinion, those are the best tape box Air Dunk released.
Really?
Yes.
You think so?
Absolutely.
I probably agree with that. I'm not really a huge Supreme guy, but this is definitely not so much about the Supreme collaboration as it is about the shoe itself, the colorway, the history behind the sneaker. It's just a beautiful, beautiful shoe, and I can't believe I got these. I mean, look at this. They come with the tag too. Look at that. It's crazy. Huge shout out to Mason for the hookup on these. I'll show the clip where I bought these shoes.
What's up, everybody? This is Mason. Get.fresh.now. Give me a follow. Seth came through. I had these priced normal, but you know who it is. It's the man, Seth Fowler. Got to get him for the low, bro. Straight to feet.
I appreciate it, man.
SneakerCon, DC.
I'll make sure to link the Instagram in the description below. But guys, this is the biggest come. I can't thank you enough, man. Seriously, thank you so much. So, I mean, just to give you guys a slight mini review, we've got the red vamp. We've got the elephant print around the mud guard right there that run up along the eyelets as well. You've got black laces, a nice red, super, super plush tongue with a black Nike SB tag. Then you've got the Nike on the heel as well in white, and you've got your black Nike swoosh. And then on the insole, like I mentioned, you've got sup and preem. Let me show you guys. I feel like you guys have to see it to really get the full effect. And then of course, the world famous Supreme tag, literally world famous, because it says it. The outsole is black. You've got a white midsole, and like I said, the condition on these is incredible for a 7-year-old shoe. These are barely worn. There's, I mean, hardly any creasing. Mason, you hooked it up, man. I can't thank you enough, man. These are sick. These are going on feet tomorrow for SneakerCon Day 2. So I'm stoked. I was wearing the Mr. Peanuts today. Every time I say that, it sounds like something else. I can't stop thinking that. I really like these a lot. I actually like these a lot more than I expected. They're very, very comfortable. They do get a little bit warm, but that's what happens when you have real leather and real suede and no perforations for ventilation. I really like this shoe a lot. The leather quality is amazing. I know I talk about this shoe all the time, but I'm really proud of it. So you can get over it. This video kind of took a turn. So overall impressions on SneakerCon, Mitch?
Being that I have only been to the Cleveland sneaker cons before, this one was crazy. A lot of really cool people, a lot of really cool things to see. DMV, y'all lace up. That's crazy to me. You do a good job down there in Washington, D.C., fellas and fellaettes.
But that pretty much wraps up the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out the videos on my new unboxing channel, which will also be linked down below. I just did an electronic unboxing, which is something a little bit different than a Pokemon card unboxing. So make sure to check that out. There's a link in the description like I mentioned. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. That's the second time I'm thanking you guys. I like you guys so much. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.